are busy moving Jack Garage into my dream workshop. And yeah, this is a 1,500 square meter building that we're needing to clean up. And we're gonna be moving into here. It's absolutely insane. And we're gonna try and get Jack Garage on its feet.
You guys might be wondering, why are we taking down an entire production line? Well, it's actually a very sad story with many layers. But to keep it simple, the customers stopped purchasing their products from us due to a price increase, and it seems like they wanted to give us the finger.
Hopefully we're gonna have a hoist, we're gonna have cars parked over here. We're going to have the fabricating welding area and mechanical area over there. And then if we walk along this way, so we're going to do all the carbon, we're going to have the oven here, and we're going to have the spray booth over here. And yeah, we got so much space here, guys. I mean, I don't even know what we're going to do with all the space. So yeah, very nerve-wracking. We're going to start with the carbon and the body shop side of things because we have all the tools for it and we know how to do it. And then obviously we're going to have a hoist so we can do cool things like suspension, exhausts, drop engines. And you know how it is at Jack Garage, we want to do all that sort of stuff as well, and we will do it. But in the beginning, we're going to do the body shop stuff and the carbon. And yeah, it's going to be sick.
I must admit, I have such a soft spot for these cool shit boxes. The whole finding one for a price that you can afford, after you sell your room and your Xbox 360 of course, to the actual getting it and then throwing your paycheck at it every month, until it is a one-of-a-kind piece of craftsmanship.
Shit, guys, so we are basically moving out of the original Jack Garage headquarters and into the new Jack Garage workshop. Pretty crazy, very crazy. Finish off by moving the 350Z, and those are all the cars that have work to be done on them. So, time to get cracking. Fuck you, guys. Okay guys, we got the essentials in the new Jack Garage workshop, and yeah, checking really cool. Cars are looking super comfy, and it feels like Need for Speed Underground 2 in here. Can't wait to get this place completely cleaned up so that we can have a cars and coffee in here and get way more cars in here. I mean, look how many cars can park in here. There's going to be, I think that we could probably fit 50 cars in here, seriously. So car show, cars and coffee, I'm not too sure, but I'd love to see this place packed with some cool cars. But yeah, really, really stoked. We're going to carry on cleaning up and let's see what we can do here.
might think that it's just simply moving the garage, but it's a lot deeper than that. This is where I made my first pattern, mold and part, and there's years of work getting the space to be just right, to then smash it down and move it into the unknown and start from scratch. But I can see the light at the end of the tunnel.
We are moving the spray booth currently, and we've moved all the other goodies into this area. We're almost there. As soon as we're in on this side, then we're going to continue with the E30 molds. But yeah, it's going. It always takes longer than expected. It's an absolute mission to move, but we're almost there.